gosh, that was a little muddier than I thought. What's up, guys? One thing I've been kind of curious about, I know some of you have too, is will a Honda Grom fit into a small car? I have a 2001 Toyota Camry, and well, I'm gonna try to put my Grom inside of it, because I'm trying to take it home. I'm at my grandparents' house right now. Oh gosh, no, not going that way. Hold on. So I'm at my grandparents' house. This is where my Grom's been for about 2 weeks now. And I'm gonna try to put it into my Toyota Camry. So let's go find the, oh gosh, that's slippery. Woo! That was really slippery. Oh. I don't know why I went over there to do my intro, because I got my Grom all dirty right before I put it in my car. Oh, and I could just borrow my grandfather's truck and trailer, take my Grom home, but that's no fun, you know? That's not fun at all. So let's go see if we can fit it into my Camry. Whoop. All right, guys, so my plan is to put the front seat up, put the front end here, the back end is probably up on the seat, maybe not. Let's see how far forward this seat will go. I probably should have cleaned my car out before making this video. That went up a lot, actually. I'm hoping my front end will go here, my back end up there on the seat or something. I wonder if this seat folds up. It does. Yummy. So I put the front seat up all the way. This seat actually came out. I didn't think it was gonna come out. So, well, let's see what we got. Push the back in this way. I'm gonna take this out for now, just to get it out of the way. Put the pegs up. Yeah, this is gonna be really tight. Something's hitting. Oh gosh. Huh. Let's stay. Don't move. Oh no, don't stop. I need to get the tire here. What's hitting? Really need some help. It's so close. I just need the rear end to stay up here and not down there. Well, this door is really in my way. Well, guys, it's so close. But I cannot get, oh, I broke the blinker. That's awesome. Great. We can't get the handlebars in. So if I took the handlebars off, I could get it fit for sure. Because it's in there pretty good. I just can't get the handlebars in. It's too wide. It's worth a shot, right? Why is it not coming out? There we go. All right, guys, I could not get the Grom in my car all by myself. I know it is possible now because I got it almost in there. I could either take the handlebars off and get it in there, or have someone help me like wiggle it around a little bit, and I could get it in there no problem. So it is possible. I'm just not capable of doing it by myself. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see future videos, I have some cool ideas coming out soon, so subscribe if you want to see that, and I'll see you next time. Peace.